MOES new arrival, Star Feather Series touch switch comes. Touch on any position on the touch panel can activate the light. The soft backlight shines silently at a level that does not disturb sleep. Indicator lights from the top and bottom of the switch back are projected onto the wall. Adjustable vibration feedback gives a interactive fun when touching it. Induction technology allows 1 cm triggering the switch. Whole series of 1 to 4 gang switches in US version and EU version can be reached.